Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of NIEVS Home School. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 2, CBQ number 3. I am telling again, our today's topic is chapter 2 and CBQ number 3. Dear learners of class 6, those who have agricultural studies class, look here. This is our lecture number 13 and homework number 10 on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. Dear students, in our previous class, we learned chapter 2, CBQ 1 and 2. Inshallah, today we shall learn chapter 2, CBQ 3. So let's start. So look, there as usual there is a stem in our CBQ questions or CQ. Mr. Moin has a livestock farm. He has 10 cows in his farm. He feeds his cows with green grass in most of the time. But the problem occurs in the dry season. Cattle feed shortage occurs then. In these circumstances, Mr. Moin preserves his cattle feed in a scientific method. It keeps grass in a good quality and it remains nutrient too. So number questions, look, what is a pedal thresher? So look at the answer. A pedal thresher is an improved hand operated paddy or wheat threshing machine. This is the answer of A number. Now B, what are the merits of centrifugal pumps or advantages of centrifugal pumps? B number, centrifugal pumps is a power driven irrigation equipment. The merits of centrifugal pump are irrigation can be done by lifting water. Okay, we have other points. Now we will go to next page. Water is lifted according to horsepower. And 3 number, it can be operated according to need. Our 3 number questions, what is the name of the method used by Mr. Moin for preserving green grass? Explain. Look at the answer. The method used by Mr. Moin for preserving green grass is called silage. This process is used for preserving green grass during the dry season. Grass grows in abundant in rainy season, but shortage of green grass occurs in the winter season. Then it has to be preserved for feeding the cattle during the dry season. In this process, grass is preserved in a silo pit. The silo pit lacks oxygen and produces lactic acid. This lactic acid helps to preserve the green grass. The quality of green grass remains unchanged in this process. Our last questions, why does Mr. Moin use this method for preserving cattle feed? Give your opinion in the light of the scheme. Look at the answer. Mr. Moin uses the method mentioned in the scheme for preserving cattle feed because in this method of quality of grass remain good. Good quality green grass increases the milk productions of cattle. Moreover, the taste and flavor of the grass remains good. It attracts the cattle to eat much. Next, another important thing is that in this method, grass can be preserved for a long period of time without decreasing the quality. Last segment, most of all, this method helps to supply a farmer with plenty of green grass for his cattle to be fed during the dry season. Dear students, look here. This is our last Ramadan vacation segment. So look here, it is homework for Ramadan vacation. Chapter 2, CBQ number 3. This is the whole answer. No need to write CBQ STEM. Okay, only answer you will write. I am writing here. You will write only answer. Dear students, look here. Look, it is in chapter 2, CBQ number 3. Only answer you will write in your homework copy. And this is your Ramadan vacations homework. And look at the submission date. 29/5/21. Okay, that means on 29 May you will submit your Ramadan vacations homework. Dear students, with these things we have finished our chapter 2 CBQ number 3. I hope that this will help you very much to learn your CBQ 3, and please do your homework properly. Only answer. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.